Red blood cells might be one of the building blocks of life, but there's one Antarctic fish that clearly believes red blood cells are for amateurs. The New York Times explains that around 30 million years ago, the water around the South Pole got much colder than it had been for a long time. As a result, evolution kicked in and gave the Antarctic blackfin icefish some biological adjustments that made it possible for them to survive in water that's so close to freezing it might as well be a 7-Eleven Slurpee. That includes clear blood, which, instead of carrying oxygen, essentially works to circulate their version of antifreeze throughout their body. And it works in a strange way. Basically, the so-called natural antifreeze proteins work a little backwards from what you'd think, attaching to ice crystals inside the fish and halting the melt process. They also have ultra-flexible bones, extra-large gills, an oversized heart, and no scales, which allows the fish to absorb oxygen from an oxygen-rich environment right through the skin. While it sounds like nothing could possibly be farther from human anatomy than these guys, that might not be the case. Researchers, including a group from Northeastern University, have been studying these fish in hopes of learning about human conditions like osteoporosis and anemia. They're conditions Antarctic ice fish live quite comfortably with. And wouldn't it be neat if we found some medical breakthroughs in the waters of the South Pole?